Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to deposit money in Binance. So what you simply need to do is head over to Binance and once you're logged in, at the top you'll see add funds. You can tap on add funds and you have the option to buy via P2P or on-chain deposit, which means you're transferring from another crypto wallet into your Binance wallet. If you're trying to use the P2P, you can tap on it and go ahead and find a seller depending on what you want to buy. Then of course, in this dialog box, you can see the currency, you can tap on it and then change it. You could go to USD. And once you select that, you can see that now P2P is gone because depending on the currency, you'll be having different options. However, the on-chain deposit option will remain. Now, of course, at the bottom, you can see view more. If you tap on view more, you have P2P trading again, but that wasn't prioritized because we chose USD. And then, of course, you have receive crypto from Binance users. So these are the options you can use in order to deposit funds in your Binance. If you choose buy with USD, it says buy crypto with card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. So if we tap on it, you'll be able to put in the amount. And then of course you want to tap on the payment method and go ahead and choose which option you prefer. Once you do that, you can go ahead and complete the transaction by putting in the necessary information and authenticating it.